Hi, I received this cast iron pan scrubber and this scraper as a gift so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about these. I am a brand new baby cast iron owner, and I am trying to be really careful with it so that I'm using it correctly and that it lasts me a long time. And so I was really especially grateful to get this scrubber to scrub my pan. So it's got a hole in it in case you wanted to put it on a hook or something. Of course, the scraper is a scraper. It's got a unique shape to it so that you can really get into different sized grooves and corners. But this is neat because it has a chainmail scrubber on the end. And then the red part is silicone, and it's kind of an ergonomic grip. So when you grip it, it's flexible, and it's also got kind of a thick grip so that it's easy to scrub. So I am going to show you how I use it. Okay, so I had used my cast iron to sear a chuck roast to prepare it to make a roast in the crock pot. And so it had a lot of bits of meat and grease and things like that. So I filled it with water in the sink and let it cool so that I could then use this scrubber to scrub away the big bits. And then I used the scraper to really kind of get into the curve there of the pan around the edges. And it just worked really well. That scraper and the scrubber just got all of the cooked on baked on bits from the roast, and it worked really well. Now I'm ready to season it back up for the next time to use it. Highly recommend. Thanks.